Hey guys, continuing the LEGO Fortnite series, one of the big elements in the game is having traps. So you lure the enemy into a room and maybe stack a little bit of loot on the other side. And when they bust through the door, they see the loot, they make a run for it, and then they get caught in a trap. Now this is the spike floor trap. It has two modes, obviously when it's not active, and then there's the active mode. And as you see, there's quite a few spikes there. So if our unsuspecting enemy happened to be caught in it, then he'll be instantly removed from the game. So do you want to see how to make this LEGO Fortnite spiked floor trap? Well, let's do this. Okay, so I'm not going to build this totally from scratch because you'll have to use your imagination a little bit, but I'll show you how the elements are put together. So we're using one of these dishes here, and I've just used it in like a dark grey. We're then using one of these Technic pins. Now you find some of these in some of the weapons that you see in LEGO, little shooters or what have you. But that's the pin assembly there. And then we're using a 1x2 Technic brick with hole. Now the idea is that this will just sit on top like that, and that pushes in like that. Now that sits on top of the platform and it's not activated. And when you're ready to activate, you just push the actual spike through and it'll go through quite a fair way. So that kind of works as well. Now you go ahead and build the trap floor. I've just used what bricks I could find, and as per the spike floor trap in Fortnite, this is what it kind of looks like. So I've kind of made a few elements that are very similar. Now when you're putting these together, just make sure that they're random enough, because in the game it's not actually a set position for the actual spikes. Now on the side, I've just gone ahead and used a few bricks, a black stud, a grey stud, a round yellow, and then a round stud just to finish that off. So that just gives us the element on the side there. So the way that it's set up in game is that these just are alternate. So I've swapped those around and they just sit on like that. So if we pop this one on here like that, we're ready to finish it off. So just on this other end here, we've got like a yellow line. So I've just used a couple of plates to get that to fill properly. And just finished it off with some tiles on this side so it's nice and smooth. Now the other thing is when you're using it in game, you might want to build it up, because obviously when the spikes are not active, actually is raised up a little bit on these other, on the edge of those spikes. So you kind of want to fix that problem. And like I say, you could just build it on a little platform or something like that. These can actually be used also in the wall. So if you've got a in-game and you want to do it in the wall, then you just push them through like that. And it makes a spike wall. So that's pretty cool as well. So that's how you make the LEGO Fortnite spike floor trap. Pretty cool. And I think it's definitely going to be an element that you'll need in your game, just so your little LEGO minifigure enemies can get trapped. So that's all I have time for today. For more LEGO Fortnite builds, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because if you don't, you won't get notified. So until next time, it's bye for now.